Hi everybody, it's Liam here from biggerplate.com, coming to you today from the very warm city of Atlanta, which you can just about see in the background. I've done my running for the day after eating far too much delicious southern food over the last few days. It's been a really busy week, lots of mind mapping workshops, lots of meetings. We kicked off the week with a session focused on the use of mind mapping for program evaluation in public health programs. A project we've been working on with the Centre for Disease Control for quite a while now, showing them how mind mapping can be used in several stages of a very well established framework that they have, and this week I was asked to come and share with them some of those tips and how mind mapping can help to support bigger, better thinking in each stages of the program evaluation framework. You can find out a little bit more about that on our website if you follow the link that I'll put underneath this video. Well worth a look and a really great audience, lots of engagement and interest there. So great start to the week. That was followed by a full-day classroom training session with the CDC, which is our regular sort of cycle with them. Again, showing people here how to use mind mapping tools and techniques to think better, to plan collaboratively, and to act with greater clarity. So another really great session as always with a bunch of very smart folks doing very important work here. Finally, last night I had the pleasure of being invited to speak with the Atlanta chapter of the Association for Talent Development. So lots of learning and development professionals who run lots of training and coaching and training programs themselves. So again, sharing with them how mind mapping might help them to design and deliver their programs, their workshops in their various organizations in the area. I run here from quite far away, so I'm already pretty hot and tired. Luckily, no bears here like in Estonia, so I'm pretty safe to just collapse on the grass here for a little while. My next stop is leaving tomorrow, going up to Canada to meet with the team at Corel, the makers of Mind Manager. They've got some really exciting new stuff coming up very, very soon, which I'm looking forward to learning a little bit more about and hopefully being able to share with you all very, very soon. But until then, take care and I'll catch up with you very soon.